Hi guys, welcome back to Why Buy, and today is the difference between a KitchenAid dishwasher and a Bosch dishwasher. Our KitchenAid dishwashers come with heat dry, which draws out moisture to allow your dishes to dry fully. It also comes with an adjustable and removable third rack. You can have the option on your KitchenAid dishwasher to have a normal traditional filter system, or you can also go with the clean wash filter system, which allows you to not remove or touch your filter at all. Now, our Bosch dishwasher offers condensation dry versus heat dry. Condensation dry saves more energy. It also offers a third level with a deep and adjustable top rack for small dishes and long utensils. Some of our Bosch models even offer a water filtration system, ensuring that you have spotless stemware for entertaining. If you'd like more information on our KitchenAid dishwasher versus our Bosch dishwasher and the difference between the two, please visit the link in the video description below.